Leaders have to be close enough to relate to others, but far ahead enough to motivate others. Sa supervisory function kasi, close daily contact ang required. Close daily contact. Kaya, dapat araw-araw nakikita ka at nararamdaman. Nandun ka. Hindi yung, oh yan ha, alam nyo na dapat trabaho nyo. Alam nga maulit ako ng ulit. No, you're supposed to be going to the floor, checking on how people are doing their tasks. Kasi yun ang function ng isang supervisor. And then you have to be far ahead enough to motivate others. Kailangan ma-retain mo yung expertise level mo. Ikaw yung pinakamagaling. Ikaw yung nakakaalam kung ginagawa nga ba o hindi or nag-shortcut ba yung taong dapat gumawa, no? Function. Kasi mama, we'll talk about the different powers of a leader. Kasama dyan yung expertise. Ikaw dapat tinitingala. Ikaw ay pinakamagaling. Now, kapag sinabing pinakamagaling, ibig sabihin hindi naman tayo makikinig sa ibang tao? Of course not. In fact, yung pinakamagaling, lagi yan naghahanap ng vantage points. Lagi yan naghahanap kung paano may angat yung resulta. And so, we have to be open to learning and to a point, unlearning.